The man cut me, you know. Man cut me the drone star.
This dirt, this, you know, this is why you don't have to wash your car at night. It's crazy. So I'm all the way in Portland. Yo, pick it up in a youth. You have water in the car? Oh. Man, I'm skeptic about them thing there, dog. So I'm on my way to Monkey Island. And I'm all the way in Portland. I've never been to that place. I want to see what it is like. The scenery, the water, you know, so anyway, water there at my place, that is me. So me and a couple, well, me and one other car there so far, where they are called Walinki, to see how best we can reach over there, but the person that answer them phone, so we're just there.
Yeah, possible. Right about now, I have 2 more.
2 more, 2 additional controller?
Yeah. Bro, said that as a buyer, one that I go like I can crash it and I have parts to fix it. I have 2 drones in my yard.
Man, just walk up and crash drone.
Yeah, bro, I want that space, man.
Hold on, so this is my controller?
Yes, I never care, man.
But just realize it, nothing in my bag. I never put it up in my bag.
I wonder what you talk about, what you have.
Alright, so the boat guy there, the so-called Linky, yo, I'm not gonna let it everywhere. Somebody I try to hustle some money because as I'm driving a Blue Lagoon, because I right here, so we're gonna take the boat for go over Monkey Island, and I know say them money with the auto, so I look God know that. The money me know say dog, I get dog. I know say the money auto, so I look at thing. But anyways, I'm gonna make the journey if you go across the waters, you know. You see me? Whoosh! Man, I walk left to the end dog. So this is the boat where I go on. On a scoop of water.
Okay, so you can step down.
Step down. Ladies before gentlemen. Oh, my why your balls so strong for my youth?
Because if you don't stop at the beach and spend some time on the beach over there, so you can just swim off on the beach and I'll swim out there.
You know, some never know so that's so close them there?
Oh, you think on the way out?
Yeah.
Kind of, I think that you have to jump on the deep, no man, on the inside.
Mama, you good?
Yeah.
On the island, but there's no monkey on the island there. That's a lie. But the name Monkey Island, the monkey in there.
See monkey there, my youth? The monkey in there, the man them lie, dog. Right. Up here and right here, and I'm expensive 90 grand shades.
Man.
So I take a hike way up there, so let's focus this. Take a hike way up there, so I get the camera thing them ready. cut me, you know. Man cut me the drone star.
Oh, yo, shit, here. Go on with it.
Man, pass it.
Yo, man on screen right there.
Man cut me the drone. Yo, up here nice, man, nah lie. So I come walk about down here now. Swim with the turtles, you get me?
No,